When I is replaced by we, even illness becomes wellness. Hello everyone, I'm Venkat. I'm from Indian Army Aviation. I'm a student of MS English Language Center. Let's get through an inspiring 3 life lessons from the Indian Army, which we can learn from the Indian Army soldiers. Indian Army has always inspired us to be our best. We look up to them not only for protecting our nation, but also for their impeccable qualities, make them different from others. Here, these are the 3 lessons: discipline. Without discipline, our lives would be completely messed up. Who better than the Indian Army inspire us to live their life with discipline? Indian Army soldiers consist daily disciplines like right from their wake up and make up their beds and to the punctual of time their sleeping and everything between. Discipline is the one of the biggest virtues one we can imbibe from the Indian Army soldiers. The second lesson is willingness to sacrifice. Our soldiers do not think twice before they laying down their lives in the service of the country. No wonder they can command so much of love and their respect in their valor and supreme sacrifice for the nation. Here, what I am saying is, you don't want to go far that way in your life, but you need to take some necessary sacrifice at your home and workplace to make them it better to your life. And the last lesson is proper planning and strategy. No army mission is conducted without proper planning and strategy in place. There are reasons why, because no one wants to walk into a death trap. Similarly, we focus on only our daily needs and fail to strategize our plans and future plans. This can be akin to a death trap, especially from a financial standpoint. Unless you invest in the right instruments and take adequate insurance policies, like in the form of term plans and other insurance policies, put your and your loved ones into a peril. Learn to plan properly and execute plans like Indian Army does. If you are all pumped to live your life like a Jawan, here a video to inspire you even further. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, MS English Language Center.
Are you afraid of speaking English? Do you want to overcome stage fear? Would you like to crack any company's interview? Would you like to enhance your communication skills? And are you planning to study abroad? If you have no idea how to get the skills you require, you need not worry, friends. We offer all the courses you need. We help you to speak and write better English. We teach you English speaking skills, effective communication skills, interview skills, IELTS, MS English Language Center. Special batches for housewives, working professionals, and children. Brodapit 3x1, Guntur. Contact 79979 33388.